generations we have walked this road, through fire and tears, through loss and hope. From the mountains to the river's cry, our mothers prayed, our fathers died. 70 years and more we stand, holding freedom in our hands. But the dream feels far, the night feels long, still our hearts are beating strong. Children running from the sound of guns, villages burning, the smoke still comes. But in the ashes a voice remains, calling us to rise again. We are caring, we will not fade, born for freedom, not for chains. If we stand together hand in hand, no force on earth can break our land. We are caring, hear us cry for Kawthoolei. We will rise, united hearts, one destiny. Together we will be free. Some chose power, some chose gold, forgot the blood the stories told. Brothers divided, leaders failed, while innocent lives were crushed and jailed. Every day the bullets fall, every day we lose it all. But still the people choose to stay, still believing in that day. When fear tries to steal our name, when truth is buried under pain, a stronger fire begins to grow from the ground where martyrs lie. We are caring, we will not fade, born for freedom, not for chains. If we stand together hand in hand, no force on earth can break our land. We are caring, hear us cry for Kawthoolei. We will rise, united hearts, one destiny. Together we will be free. Not for revenge, not for hate, but for our children's tomorrow's sake. One people, one voice, one dream, stronger than we've ever been. No more divided, no more afraid. This is the promise we must make. We are caring, still we stand, written freedom in our hands. From the hills to the open sea, this is our identity. We are caring, this is our song. We have waited far too long. United now we claim our way. Freedom lives and here we stand. For those we lost, for those who remain, our freedom will rise from the pain. Can people stand as one? The fight continues until it's won.